I thought you were gonna end the video.
I want to make it a heart. Until makalabot sa. Fast forward lang ako.
Hindi mo na lang dito press forward. Like, pause it in 2 hours. Let them go bored on your, video. But, how many viewers ang inano mo? Like, mag-hours if there's a viewers.
I don't expect to have a viewers.
Me too, I expect less. Like, sa ako na Facebook or sa YouTube, reviewers. Sometimes 0, sometimes 1 viewer. But it's fine. I post it for memories, not for something na ma-attract attention or
Just to boost confidence. Like, when I was talking in camera before, I was too shy or rather scared. But I don't know why. Like, when someone take a picture of me, I was just, delete na! Direct ko muna.
I really hate that na i-delete na. I should
Dito kayo to.
Like, you're taking video of yourself.
Wag group photo. Even kaya sa graduation pic na one, I was absent because of that. But now I'm okay. I could take a picture of myself. I could take a video. Talk. Yeah. As an adult, you should practice how to socialize. Not always being robotic. And you know, I could adjust my speaking now. It's just practicing how to express. Hello.
There's so many people was starting lang ganyan sa naga-video kami randomly.
Say hi. Like,
Hi!
really? Damo kami di kakilala?
Alam mo nakakilala, really?
Mas shush. Pero do ka cringe. I'm not used to it.
Miski si tatay gali kagina, nasalaan ko like, si tatay nagsiling, sino na nga babae na nga aral na daw. Why she's sitting there? Like, tatay doesn't know me at all. Sin ko, kambal to ni nanay yo. Si B1 man lang gali. Wala man siya nakakilala sa ako.
Kaya na yun sila sa ako, narador sa imo.
Si B1 lang man to gali sa sa guwap. Di kayo yung nakabihis daw ako. Sabi ko, Pax Pila.
Dress for yourself.